Governor Chancellor Banwarilal Purohit on Wednesday appointed K.N. Selvakumar as the new Vice Chancellor of Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Science University. India has world third highest number of billionaires, say Forbes report. Reserve Bank of India keeps policy rates unchanged, projects GDP growth up 10.5%. Mahendra Singh Dhoni announces animated spy series Captain 7. United States President Joe Biden announces all adults in US eligible for COVID-19 vaccine by April 19. Senior most Supreme Court Judge Justice Nathalipati Venkata Raman was on Tuesday appointed as the next Chief Justice of India to take oath on April 24. The first few weeks of the COVID pandemic second wave in India did not see a corresponding rise in fatalities, but that has changed in the last 4 weeks. Since March 8, COVID-related deaths have risen at the same pace as the spike in infections. Maharashtra government and its former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh Supreme Court on Tuesday challenging the Bombay High Court order directing CBI probe into the allegation of corruption and misconduct levelled against him by former Mumbai police officer Parambir Singh. 3 assistant sector officers of the Uluberia constituency in West Bengal were suspended for violating the Election Commission of India guidelines by taking reserve EVMs to the relative house ahead of the third phase of the assembly elections. Hitting out Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday claimed that TMC Supremo was heaping abuse on him as she is frustrated. No military alliance with China, say Russian Foreign Minister, and takes swipe at Quad leaders' virtual meeting. The Sabrimala temple issue, which had become a flashpoint in Kerala during the 2019 Lok Sabha polls, took center stage again on voting day for the assembly election. Prime Minister Narendra Modi warns against false narratives on CAA, farms law and labour's law in order to create political instability. Iran and the US begin indirect talks to revive nuke deals in presence of European intermediaries. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel was asked by President on Tuesday to try to form a new coalition government. Myanmar's pro-democratic protesters sprayed red paints on roads in Yangon Tuesday in a reminder to the Janata that it had blood on its hands as the crisis created by a military coup in the Southeast Asian nation. 10 officials have been indicated in Iran over the 2020 military shootdown of Ukrainian passenger plane that killed 176 people, a prosecutor said Tuesday. Prime Minister Modi will address the 4th edition of his annual interaction with students, Pariksha Pe Charcha, on Wednesday.
अच्छा सुनो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, उसके बाद घंटी बजा देना ताकि अगली वीडियो आपसे मिस ना हो पाए। थैंक यू।